Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we will talk about the reading section in PTE and also I will show you my PTE result in first attempt. So, here's my score. Now, I will tell you few things which I did in my exam one by one. So, let's begin. The first ones are reading and writing fill in the blanks. These blanks carries about 44 marks in PTE. And out of these 22 marks contribute to writing section and another 22 contribute to reading section. Things to note here are: first, don't spend more than 2 minutes on any blank. Second, make sure you read and understand the context, because sometimes the answer of the blank is in context itself as a collocation. Third, apply grammatical rules like, look for a or an before any blank. Because, if there's an in front of the blank so there will be a word starting from vowel will be right option in the blank. So make sure to apply grammatical rules. Fourth, no matter if you know the meaning of the word or not, just select the option that fits in the blank. Fifth, try eliminating the options that you think will not be the answer and make your guess from the rest of options. 6. Make sure you have a look at the collocations of words. 7th, you can try reading the list of collocations from the official website of Pearson PTE. The next ones are MCQs having multiple answers. These MCQs carries about 3 marks in PTE. Things to note here are: first, read the question first, and then have a look at the options and read the paragraph carefully. Second, these MCQs have negative marking, so make sure that you select the option on which you are 100% sure. The next ones are reorder paragraphs. These carries about 5 to 6 marks in PTE. Things to note here are: first, read the paragraphs carefully and figure out the independent sentence for the beginning. Second, take a look at the words like this, in addition these, he, his and many like these, and figure out the thing to which they are representing. Third, try to make the correct pair. The next ones are reading fill in the blanks. These blanks carries about 14 to 15 marks in PTE. Things to note here are: first, eliminate the blanks that you think might not be the answer, and make your guess from the rest of the blanks. Second, understand the passage and select an option accordingly. Third, apply grammatical rules to easily figure out an option like a or an as stated above in R and W blanks. Fourth, read the passage carefully because sometimes the answer is in the passage as a collocation. The last ones are MCQs single answer. These MCQs carries about 1 to 2 marks in PTE. Things to note here are: first, read the question carefully, and then have a look at the option and read the passage. Second, understand the main idea of the passage and choose an appropriate option. My personal experience with exam. The R and W blanks were tricky as all the options were having similar meanings and it was difficult for me to choose the right option. The next MCQs having multiple answers, I didn't spend much time on these, as there's a belief that the probability of option 3 or 4 is much higher to be correct in the exam, and I selected option 3 in both MCQs by just skimming the passage and found these options to be correct. Reorder paragraph, they were easy. Firstly, I read all the paragraphs and formed the pair of sentences, which I thought can be placed together and guess the correct pair from rest of the passages. Fill in the blanks reading. They were easy. I applied grammatical rules here and read the passage carefully and used the elimination method. The last, MCQ's single answer, I read the question first, then options and then passage. At last, all your teachers can give you is a guidance. Your progress primarily depends on your practice. The more you practice, more likely you are going to achieve it. Thanks for watching.